Hello, how are you today? Here is my daughter Carmen. Why is she with me? Because we are going to play a game. We are going to play a game to revise the vocabulary of the unit. We have this vocabulary: garden, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom. Okay, and those are the rooms in the house. We are going to play a game. I don't know, it's going to be very complicated to win Carmen because she knows very well how to do this game. Okay, player 1 is going to be Carmen, and player 2 is going to be me, which is Mom. Okay, let's play. Okay. Look at the picture. And look at this. Very careful. Look at this, okay? Because this means there is, there isn't.
The number 3,
The number.
2.
Okay, let's start. Carmen, it's your turn.
Check.
Check. Are you sure?
Yes.
There isn't a dining room.
There isn't a dining room. Why? Because it's a cross. So it's a cross is there isn't. There isn't a dining room. Okay. Now it's my turn. There's a kitchen, and here I got a tick. And do I have a kitchen? Yes. So I check.
There's a kitchen.
Okay, now Carmen.
There's a big living room. Check.
Check.
There's a big living room.
There's a big living room. Yes. Okay. There are a small garden. Yes.
No.
There's a small garden. No, you know why? I said there's a small garden because here you cannot say there are because there are is for 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or more. But if you only have one, is there is. There is. So I had to change here. There's a small garden. Now I check.
El punto es para mí.
And Carmen
There's
won
a
the
small
point.
garden.
Oh, there's a small garden. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's Carmen again. Look at the bathroom.
No.
No, there's 3 bedrooms. No? Come on, Carmen. Yes, there's 3 bedrooms.
No.
No? There's a bathroom. Oh, she's going to win me. There's a bathroom.
There's a bathroom.
She's laughing. She's mean. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm not going to make any mistake, Carmen.
Yes.
There are a small living room. No, look. There are 1, 2 bathrooms. There are 2 bathrooms. Let's see if I find it here. there are 2 bathrooms. Do I check? Do I press check? Yes? Let's go.
There are
Yes!
2 bathrooms.
Oh, Carmen wins! Yes, okay. Well, congratulations. Page 106, and we have a chant. We have a chant. Unit 8, page 106, and we are doing the chant. Okay, for the chant, we need the following vocabulary: a garden, a bathroom, a kitchen, a dining room, a living room, a bedroom, and that's it, okay? Listen, in English, when we have one thing, for example, one garden, we say there's a garden. But if we have 2 gardens, we say there are 2 gardens. There is 1 garden, there are 2 gardens, so there are 3 gardens, so there are 4 gardens, okay? The same for bathroom. There is 1 bathroom, or there are 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or more bathrooms, okay? So there is for 1. There are for more than 1, okay?
There's a garden. There's a bathroom. There's a kitchen and a dining room too. There's a living room. There are 2 bedrooms. Welcome to my house, Blue Clue. There's a garden. There's a bathroom. There's a kitchen and a dining room too. There's a living room. There are 2 bedrooms. Welcome to my house, Blue Clue.
Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together.
Listening 163. Listen and say the chant.
You and me, eh?
There's a garden. There's a bathroom. There's a kitchen and a dining room too. There's a living room. There are 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms, sorry.
Welcome to my house, Blue Clue.
A garden.
There's a garden. There's a bathroom. There's a kitchen and a dining room too. There's a living room. There are 2 bedrooms.
2.
Welcome to my house, Blue Clue.
Okay, well done. You can repeat it if you want. You can do it in your house 2 or 3 times until you remember. Remember, the difficult one is here. There are 2 bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms. Not there is 2 bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms. Why? Because it's more than 1. More than 1. There's a garden. There's a bathroom. There's a kitchen and a dining room too. There's a living room. There are 2 bedrooms. Welcome to my house, Blue Clue. A garden. Everybody point. A bathroom. A kitchen. A dining room. A living room. There are 2 bedrooms. There are 2 bedrooms. Okay. Look at this house. Listen and say true or false. In this house we have there are 2 bedrooms. Listen and repeat. There are 2 bedrooms. There is a kitchen. There is a living room. And there is a bathroom. Is there a dining room? No, probably they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the kitchen. That happens a lot in many houses, okay? Let's listen and say true or false.
Listening 164. Listen and say true or false.
In my house, there are 2 living rooms.
In my house, there are 2 living rooms. 2 living rooms. 2 living rooms. True or false? False. There's 1 living room. There's 1 living room.
There's 1 bedroom.
There's 1 bedroom. Is it true or false? It's false. Well done. How many bedrooms are there? Yes, there are 2. So listen and repeat. There are 2 bedrooms. Well done.
There's a kitchen.
There's a kitchen. There's a kitchen. Is it true or false? It's true. Listen and repeat. There's a kitchen. And you can point with your finger in your book.
There's a dining room.
There's a dining room. Is there a dining room? Is there a dining room with a table and chairs for eating? No. So it's false. False.
There are 3 bathrooms.
What a liar.
And there's a garden.
There are 3 bathrooms. Where can you see 3 bathrooms? Is it true or false? False. Okay, listen and repeat. There's 1 bathroom. There's 1 bathroom. Well done. And the last one is there's a garden. Let me play it again.
It's a garden.
There's a garden. Is it true? Is there a garden? Yes, there's a garden. Okay, they are very lucky. In Great Britain, in most of the houses, people have a little garden or a big garden. But here in Spain, we live in flats. We live in flats. Okay, if you can, with your brother or your sister or your mom or your dad, you have to talk about your flat. Your flat, okay? I'm going to talk about my flat. There are 3 bedrooms in my flat. There are 2 bathrooms in my flat. There is 1 living room in my flat and 1 dining room in my flat. There is a kitchen in my flat, okay? So that's what you have to do. Activity book, page 84. 84, okay? Lesson 5, read and tick or cross. Look at this house. In this house, there is 1 bedroom, there is 1 bedroom, there is 1 bathroom. No, there are 2 bathrooms, there are 2 bathrooms. There is 1 kitchen, there is 1 kitchen, and there is 1 living room. There is 1 living room. Okay, let's check or cross. Check if it's true, cross if it's false. Read and tick or cross. There are 2 bathrooms. There are 2 bathrooms. Tick or cross? Tick. It's true. It's true. Okay? There's a dining room. A dining room. Tick or cross? There's no dining room. So you can say, instead of there's a dining room, there isn't a dining room. Okay? There are 2 living rooms. There are 2 living rooms. 2 living rooms. Tick or cross? Cross. Which would be the correct answer? Yes, there is one living room. There is one living room. There's a kitchen. There's a kitchen. Tick or cross? There's a kitchen. Tick. Well done. There are 2 bedrooms. No, there's one bedroom. There's one bedroom. So this is cross. And there's a garden. There's a garden. Tick or cross? Tick. There's a garden. Okay, well done. Let's correct the sentences. This is a little bit more difficult, okay? Because we have to write, and you know that writing with this pencil is so difficult. There's a table in the living room. Is it true or false? So the answer is there isn't a table in the living room. There are 3 chairs in the kitchen. There are 3 chairs in the kitchen. Okay, instead of there are 3 chairs in the kitchen, we have to write there are 2 chairs in the kitchen. There are 2 chairs in the kitchen. I told you that this was going to be difficult for me. Okay, there are 2 chairs in the kitchen. You have to copy. It's actually the same, but instead of 3, 2. 1 and 2. There are 2 chairs in the kitchen. Now, there's a television in the bedroom. There's a television in the bedroom. Look at the bedroom. Is there a television? No. So instead of there's a television in the bedroom, we have to write there isn't. There isn't a television in the bedroom. Write the dot. Here, the same as in Spanish, we have to write the dot. There are 2 trees in the garden. There are 2 trees in the garden. This is a little bit more difficult because there are not 2 trees. How many trees are there? Well done. 1. There's 1 tree. So we have to change this. There are no, there is. There is. Our full stop. This is called full stop because we finished the sentence. Okay, there is 1 tree in the garden. I hope you had time to write it with me. Now, if you want, you can color. Okay, if you want, you can color. And this is the end of our unit for Wednesday. Bye bye.